Hi everybody, welcome back to Real Estate Investing Adventures. Why? Because real estate is fun and it's always an adventure. In this video, I'm going to explain the playlist I put together about networking. I'm your host, Joe Jurek, and if you're a return guest, welcome back. If you're a new guest to my channel, welcome. Who the heck am I? I'm a real estate investor that has the ability to travel all over the country and work with people just like you, trying to get started in real estate or take their real estate investing to the next level. I've put together this playlist, and there's several playlists on my channel, but this playlist will tell you how to create a network, build a power team, and just really different tips and tricks and techniques of networking with people. If you don't have business cards yet, watch some videos on how to get business cards, how to pass them out, how networking can help you. Over the years, I've done different things and I've put them into videos, and in this playlist I've put together the videos that will help you in building a network. So I hope you enjoy the videos. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you click over here by my picture and the white arrow and subscribe to the channel. You can ring the bell at the top and that'll notify you of any video I put out. I also love hearing comments, so anything that you want to share, go right ahead and share that in the video comment section down below. I appreciate that. And I want to give you a golden nugget. What's one of the golden nuggets I want to give you? Years ago, my wife and I had a friend who owned a farm. And this gentleman, he was so great at networking. He was such a nice person. He'd go out of his way to kill people with kindness, just a great guy. And what he would then do is then tell them about problems he had. So once they thought, wow, he's a great guy. I wish I could help him with his problems. So what I had found over the years, the more I spent time with him, the more I saw him do this. And it was a technique for him. He said, if people like you, they're willing to help you. If people don't like you, they'll never help you. So number one, he wanted everybody to like him. And then number two, he'd tell them about his problems. And a lot of people, even though they had their own problems, they would help him solve his problems. So I thought that was a real good golden nugget tip. Make sure you network with everybody out there. Everybody can help you when you're doing real estate. Everybody knows somebody that wants to buy a house or sell a house. Everybody knows a good contractor out there. Everybody knows something that can help you and make your real estate investing adventure a little easier. So network, network, network. Get out there, take action, make those dreams a reality, live life with no regrets. Take care, believe and achieve. Bye-bye.
Do it now. Believe and achieve. Take care. Yeah!